Hello, I am Karen and welcome to Northwest Aesthetics Clinic. I would like to talk to you about the tide or day look, which is an under-eye issue that develops as we age. And I see so many people here in my clinic every day with this look who want a solution. Now, the under-eye tired all day look happens to everyone, including men. It is caused by hollowing here, darkness there, and fluid connection, commonly known as eye bags, directly underneath the eyes and here too. The hollow or circle appears when the orbital bone, which is this bone that goes around the circumference of the eye, becomes visible, and you start to see a semicircle from one corner of the eye to the other. Now this happens when the midface, which is this area here, when this tissue volume here diminishes and the muscle drops down in the direction of the jawline, revealing or exposing this orbital bone. This is a normal aging process, as I've said, and as I've said, it happens to us all. During youth, the cheekbone is covered with a lovely plump fat pad, this area here, strong muscle and firm tight skin. As the muscle, the tissue and the skin age, and it then starts to drop down, and the cheekbone, which is this little bone just here, becomes exposed and prominent, producing a split. So you start to see a split going on here, giving us an exhausted look and quite often a gaunt look as well. Now the darkness immediately under the eyes is also a problem for many. The darkness appears under the eye due to a loss of tissue volume and thinning of the skin. Another issue is the appearance of tiny little creepy wrinkles in this area and the development of excess skin. And again, this is due to the loss of skin elasticity and thinning of the skin under the eye area, and it becomes hypermobile, which means it's very movable. In turn, a collection of fluid then appears and fills this excess skin, which we commonly know as eye bags. Now, a combination of these aging process makes us look very tired and exhausted, and as I've said, even gaunt. And this is not the look we want to have. Therefore, so many people tell me that they want to look fresh, well slept, and they want to look how they used to. So when makeup no longer hides these issues, you may want to explore aesthetic treatments. So for me, this is a very, very easy problem to correct, as I perform treatments to the mid-face and under-eye area every single day. And my philosophy is to have treatment in a subtle way that gives the appearance that you've never had anything done. However, the tired or gaunt look just simply disappears. What we want to hear is your friends and family tell you that you look good today, or they believe that you have just had a holiday or you're sleeping better. So here's what I can do for you to achieve this. Now, firstly, I must tell you our patients absolutely love a combination of these treatments. So firstly, dermal filler. Now, dermal filler is the perfect first-line treatment, as dermal filler adds the tissue volume that has been lost with this aging process and is causing this tired look. Precisely injected along the hollow over the prominent bone, this will lift the depressed tissue up to the surface, instantly lifting and smoothing the skin, takes away that hollow look. Dermal filler can also be used to cover this prominent cheekbone here, or a sunken dip appears in the midface here. And I often recommend treating the outer area of the eye that can actually produce a stunning mid-facelift effect. Now there is a downtime of a couple of days to a maximum week, but the results are really, really worth it, as your new look will last for at least several months up to a year. Then you may just require small amounts of dermal filler to keep topped up, maintaining your new fresh look. For those who are mature in years, who have creepy skin just under the eyes, sometimes dermal filler isn't enough, and in this instance I like to use a skin tightening product that can be injected in very specific amounts to this area, and over a course of 2 to 3 months it will stimulate the production of collagen, firming, lifting and tightening the skin and smoothing those little lines and crepiness. So I can offer you a solution and give you a lovely pleasing result with little downtime, instant results and long-lasting results. If this interests you and you want to address your tired all day look, then don't put up with this any longer, just